Skeletal muscle cells are called muscle fibers. They are long thread-like cells that can be up to 11 inches in total length. They possess many nuclei per cell. This enables the production of large amounts of proteins of muscle contraction and muscle function. Typically, large or long cells possess many nuclei to aid in the control of the cell, in addition to coordinating production of large amounts of proteins and enzymes for that cell. Developmentally, mature skeletal muscle cells arise from the fusion of small embryonic muscle precursor cells, or called myoblasts. Each myoblast possesses a single nucleus. So skeletal muscle fibers have many nuclei as a result of the fusion of many individual myoblasts during development. The plasma membrane is called the sarcolemma. It functions similar to the plasma membrane of most other cells. The cytoplasm is referred to as the sarcoplasm in skeletal muscle fibers or skeletal muscle cells. The skeletal muscle cell has specialized smooth endoplasmic reticulum, which is called sarcoplasmic reticulum. It functions to store calcium when muscle is in a relaxed state, and it releases calcium when muscle is stimulated to contract. Calcium allows the interaction of the proteins that are involved in muscle contraction. Skeletal muscle fibers typically have abundant mitochondria for metabolizing glucose and oxygen in order to produce ATP energy, and they are also packed with cylinder-shaped organelles that are called myofibrils. The myofibrils are the organelles that contain the microscopic structures which are responsible for generating muscle contractions. So figure 10.4 highlights the typical structures and organelles of a skeletal muscle fiber. The plasma membrane of the cell is referred to as the sarcolemma, and several nuclei are visible just underneath the plasma membrane. The mitochondria occupy space between the rod-like organelles called the myofibrils. Although not shown in the top diagram, the myofibrils are surrounded by a network of sarcoplasmic reticulum, with the sarcoplasmic reticulum typically spanning the entire length of a myofibril that it surrounds.